So today we're going over Skyslope. What exactly is Skyslope? How does it work? And then I'm going to walk you guys through creating an actual transaction in Skyslope. So make sure you like, share, subscribe. Let's get into it. Hey guys, how you doing? This is Sascha Chatman, your real estate tech ninja here with Chatman Realty Group, located here in DFW, and today we are covering Skyslope. So Skyslope is a transaction management form that software that we use here with EXP. Okay, it's actually pretty good. It's pretty good. They've made quite a few changes with it. They've been improving it as we go, and we manage all of our transactions inside of it. So we're going to jump right into it and go over what exactly is Skyslope. So when you first get into Skyslope, this is what you can first see. It's going to have this dashboard of what closings you have this month, what's active, what's pending, and whatnot. So if your numbers are looking off, like mine are off right now because I haven't put stuff in there. I'm kind of bad in doing this sometimes. You'll know it right off the bat. So let's go over a couple things you need to know if you're working here with us in EXP and how to use Skyslope. First things first, working docs. Let's go over this down here at the bottom. All right. You need to know what this is because it's going to take you to a lot of places. So under working docs, I get this question all the time. Where's our W-9 at? Where's all these different things that we need in EXP or EXP related docs? They're here in working docs under office docs. Okay. When I go in here, okay, here's the ABAs. All right. Here's an emission certificate. Okay. If I keep going down, you'll find a lot of different documents in here. You need to go in here and start checking this stuff out because you will find it. All right. Fillable lease invoice. All right. You need that document. If you're doing a lease, you definitely need it. It looks like this here. I'm not going to go over every last doc, but if you're doing a lease with the EXP, you need to get this thing filled out before you're going to get paid. Okay. And yes, you need to get it may need to be signed off on. All right. So you need to get that taken care of. Beyond that, there's lots of other documents that you'll need here. Here's one we see all the time if you're here in Texas. The ABA doc, EXP Realty ABA, which is basically affiliated business arrangement disclosure, is right there in Office Docs. You need to get this doc with every transaction. So you definitely need that one. You will need the wire fraud, or you can use the one from TAR if you're in Texas or whatever your state, if EXP allows that. But here it is here also in Skyslope. Okay. Everything you need. Here's our W-2. I could keep going, but I think you get the gist. So the docs that you're looking for that are EXP related and you're trying to figure out where do I find them, they're going to be here on the office doc. For me, it's under my region under Texas North. If it's probably under your region, wherever you are. Okay, so it is going to be there. Referral agreements, I get this all the time. Here's the doc that we use for referral agreements with EXP. All right, so make sure you go into Skyslope and you Go in here. You go find it. All right. That is working docs. Lots of documents in that you need. All right. If you need to create a listing, you can do it right here. All right. I'm not going to create a listing just yet. It's really easy to just kind of follow through here. But I'm going to show you guys how to create a transaction real quick because I need to do that. All right. So we're going to go in and click on create transaction. Right. And you can put the address as a lookup in here if it is. This is a new construction one for me, so I'm not sure if it's going to pop up or not. Honestly, we'll figure that out. And that address one more time is... Well, it might. Let's find out. Hey, it pops up in Google. There it is. There is no MLS number, so I'm just going to put in zeros. Oh. All right, so first you need to go ahead and put in the price here. For this one, it was $246.90. The source, this was a personal referral. It will then say, is it an office lead? No, it's not. The acceptance date on this contract for January 21st. Okay, now this is super important. What type of checklist is this? All right, so this here is going to bring up, what type of transaction it is, but the type of checklist you're going to get as well. So new build is a new build, okay? It is in Denton County, and I am representing the purchaser or the buyer. You built 2021, and the closing date is, I think, Tuesday. So I need to get this in. So now we're going to click on next. Once we do that, it brings us up here, and we are now looking at filling in the relevant parties of the transaction. All right, so if it's a builder like this, we're going to click on is a builder. It is Lennar Homes. All right, save that one. Let's go to our next person here. And then we're just going to fill this out accordingly. I'm going to skip ahead because it's very important that you get the title person's information in here because that's exactly what they're going to be sending your CDA. All right, so they do this stuff automatically so you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to touch it, but that's what they're going to be doing. All right, let's keep going. Make sure you also add in the agent is representing the other side here. In this case, it is a builder, so I'm just putting NA because they're not agents. And calling that a day. I put zeros there. They are smart enough to understand that this is not an agent. No agent. Just the lender involved, who is the lender for this transaction as well. Okay. Once you have all your parties' information in there, you are good to go. So we have everything in there. We're going to click on submit, and now it's going to update accordingly. Alrighty. So now here's the fun part. How much are you getting paid? This is Lennar. They've cut their commission. So we're going to add that in there. What that is. Happy day. Anyway, I'm happy to be getting paid anyway. Let me stop that. There is no referral fee. If there was a referral fee, I would have to put in what the referral amount is or whatever that agreement was. And at this point in time, I would then update the W-9 form or any other forms we have with them for the referral agreement. All right, so that way they can pay them directly. All right, so that's it. Do you have any comments that you want to add in right here for them to know what's what? I believe like this particular company does not send my money straight to the title company. I think they're going to send down the EXP and it comes back. So that's that. If you're on a team, sometimes you got to put in what your commission split is with a team. Like my agents have to put that in here all the time because it doesn't always come off automatically. All right. And that's it. Now we're going to click on submit. Once we do this, this is the fun part. Now it's telling you, literally telling you in red what you need to upload. That's it. You upload what's in red, and that's it. Once you upload everything over here, you should be good to go. I'm not going to take you guys through the entire process of doing this. I am just going to slide over a couple just so you can kind of get an idea of how that works. Okay? So, here we go. All right, so I'm just going to drag this document here over like so, and there that one is, right there. All right, cool. Now, all I have to do, now I know the document's in there, it's going to stay yellow until they look at it, and then it finally turn to green once they're done with it. But that's it. That is Skyslope. This is all you have to do. When I get done with this particular file, I'm just going to drag all my files over here for them to do so. Now, I've already got my people to sign everything, so I have to make another video for you guys to show you how you can use Skyslope to send out signatures. Now, you can still use .loop or DocuSign if you want to. You can also use zip forms, whatever, but you can do that here in Skyslope as well, and I'll walk you guys through that too as well. All right, hope you liked this video. Hope it was helpful for you, and if you have any questions, leave your comments down below. Like, share, subscribe. Peace.